Good morning from the Netherlands. Arriving a very beautiful one moment, John. Yamaha RD500, completely restored. And this bike is for our own private collection. What a beautiful bike. Johan is the proud owner.
Oh, we do.
What a bike. Look at this. And is it running, Johan, or
Yeah, quiet.
yeah? Let's hear this. Engine completely rebuilt.
Yeah, complete.
Paintwork new, everything done. Very nice bike. We have another one that is for sale, but not completely restored like this one, and it's in black and red, and it's located in France, so I can offer that, but this one stays here. Yeah. Only this missing part is at the back, but we'll find it. What a beauty. We gave it a good spot on the first floor. There's also some RG500s and Honda NS400R. So the RD500 will be in good company with some other two shorts. Today we have no electricity. There's a problem apparently here in the street. So hopefully we have electricity back soon. We can make some coffee. Okay, thank you for watching again. Don't forget, keep following us for more videos to come. Bye bye.